Hi guys, we are Seed of Melanin. And today we have a great craft for you in honor of Muhammad Ali, one of the greatest boxers of all time. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Supplies needed for this craft include paper plates, cardboard box, scissors, duct tape, a marker, and for your decorations, you can use glue, rhinestones, or markers.
To trace the belt buckle, and then you want to draw another half circle using the plate. Ta-da!
And you try your best.
Okay, so we have two half circles. We're going to use this space to make the actual belt. We now draw a line from the top half circle to the end of the cardboard to make the top of our belt strap. Good, perfect. We do it again.
Yep.
One more line for the bottom part of your belt. Straight, slow and steady, exactly. Good job. Okay. Now we repeat the process on the other side. And we're gonna do it again.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Now we're going to cut it out. Have to make sure you do this with the parents, just for safety. Now we have our belt. Now we have our belt.
Next, we take our duct tape to cover the belt buckle to make our faceplate.
Now we're going to decorate.
Now this is the fun part. Be creative. Use your rhinestones and your other items and decorate. Have fun! You are a Seed of Melanin champion, and here is your belt.
Share your belt with us. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.